Hello viewers, welcome to Perspective by Priya. Perspective matters. Today I have brought up a very popular story with a very strong message. So once there was a group of alumni who decided to visit their university professor. The professor was now retired, and this group was really very excited to pay a visit to their favorite professor. So time and day was decided. They had a word with the professor. They went to the professor's place. So professor was so happy and glad to see how his students have turned up. They were all successful in their careers. They had well-established lives. Many of them were doing jobs, and others were having their businesses. So the whole atmosphere was full of joy. Soon the conversation changed into stress and problems in everyone's life. So it came to light that although they all were pretending to be happy and delighted, yet they all had heavy stress in their life. They had a lot of problems, and that happiness on their face was temporary. Just because they visited their professors, there was a different face now. So what professor did? He thought of giving one more lesson to this batch of students. He went into his kitchen and prepared coffee for this group of alumni. And when he came back with the tray of coffee, the students, the people there noticed that there was assortment of cups. Usually we are so particular, when guests come, we try to serve them with the same set of saucers and cups, not assorted, so that it doesn't look good. So they were all wondering that professor should know about it, but none of them spoke anything about that. So there were assorted cups. Some cups were made of glass, some were of plastic, some had handles, some didn't. Some of the cups were exquisite and some were so plain and cheap. Anyhow, those people started taking the cups from the tray, and all the good looking cups, exquisite cups, expensive cups were taken, and only plain and cheap ones were left behind the tray. And now when this bunch of people was holding cups in their hands and sipping their coffees, they were eyeing each other's cups also, like their cup is better or the other person's cup is better. And the professor was standing with a big smile on his face. So one of the students asked the professor, "Sir, why are you smiling?" The professor said, "I just noticed that you were talking about the stress and problems in your life. And this is the reason why you have a lot of stress in your life." That man said, "Sorry sir, I didn't understand." The professor said that all of you have chosen the good looking, the best cups, although all of you are aware that the quality of coffee in each cup is same. So is it the cup that matters, which is holding the coffee, or the coffee and its taste matter more? So the lesson that professor gave was very strong yet simple. He said with compassion that life is like coffee, and your jobs, your money, your status, your position in society are the cups. They are just tools to hold and contain life. And the type of cup we have does not define nor change the quality of our life. The point is, enjoy the coffee. That is the most important thing. If you keep eyeing other cups and run after the best cup, you would not be able to savor the taste of coffee, that is the taste of life. So the cup's job is to hold the coffee. Similarly, our job, status and position would hold our life. They are tools to live our life better, but that doesn't mean all those things define our life. As they say that the happiest people don't have the best of everything, they just make the best of everything. So that's it for today. I hope you liked it. This is Priya Handa signing off. Do not forget to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Thank you and God bless you all.